Welcome to myBooks product demo tutorial. In this video, you are going to learn how to create miscellaneous transactions on myBooks accounting software. Go to Transactions, then select Miscellaneous Transactions. In All Miscellaneous Transactions list page, click on Create Miscellaneous Transactions. Select the transaction type. Select the bank account from drop-down. Select the transaction name from drop-down. Select the date. Enter the amount. Select payment mode from drop-down. Enter the description and reference if any. Click on Save. Now miscellaneous transaction is created. That's it. You created your miscellaneous transactions on myBooks. Thanks for watching.